Welcome to English Core Conversation. In this session, we'll practice English together using the shadowing technique. I'll speak slowly and clearly, then pause so you can repeat after me. Remember, fluency grows step by step, sentence by sentence. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on rhythm, confidence, and progress. Let's begin. I wake up early to start my day. I stretch my arms and legs slowly. I drink a glass of water to feel fresh. I open the curtains and let the sunlight in. The morning air feels cool and calm. I brush my teeth carefully for 2 minutes. I wash my face with cold water. Sometimes I take a shower to wake up fully. I choose clothes that are simple and comfortable. If I have a meeting, I wear something formal. I prepare breakfast in the kitchen. I enjoy eating eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit and yogurt. I drink tea or coffee to feel energized. I check my phone for new messages. I look at my calendar to plan the day. I pack my bag with my notebook and water bottle. I put on my shoes and step outside. The street is quiet in the morning. I walk to the bus stop calmly. I greet the driver politely when I get on. I sometimes read during the ride. I watch people walking outside. I arrive at my destination ready to work. I greet my colleagues or classmates politely. I turn on my computer and check emails. I reply to urgent messages first. I write a short to-do list. I focus on my most important task. I take notes in my notebook. I join meetings and share my ideas. I listen carefully when others speak. I ask questions if I don't understand. I try to finish one task before starting another. I take a short break after an hour. I stretch or walk around the room. I drink water to stay hydrated. I return to my desk and continue working. I study English for 15 minutes if I have time. I read short articles or watch English videos. I practice new words and write them down. I believe in my ability to improve. Every day brings new learning opportunities. Speaking English gets easier with practice. Excuse me, can you help me? Do you have this in a different size? How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? I would like a paper bag, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. I need to buy something at the store. I look at the shelves carefully. I compare prices before I choose. I ask the shop assistant for advice. I wait in line patiently. I pay for my items at the counter. I carry my bag and leave the store. Shopping is easier when I know what I need. Can I see the menu, please? I will have a cup of coffee. Could I get it without sugar? Can I sit here? The food smells amazing. The service was excellent. Can I get the bill, please? Thank you for the meal. I enjoy eating with friends. We talk and laugh while we eat. The restaurant feels warm and welcoming. I try new dishes when I go out. I enjoy tasting different flavors. I'm looking for the train station. How do I get to the library? Is this seat taken? Can you show me how to use this ticket machine? The train was late this morning. I get off at the right stop. I walk to my office building. I greet people politely when I arrive. Traveling teaches me patience. I enjoy watching new places from the window. How are you doing today? It's nice to see you again. The weather is really nice today. I had a busy morning. Do you come here often? Let's stay in touch. Can you hear me clearly? Sorry, I missed your call. I will call you back later. Can you send me the address? I enjoy conversations in English. Talking helps me connect with people. I'm feeling really tired today. This makes me so happy. Sometimes I feel stressed, but I try to relax. I feel confident when I speak English. Mistakes help me improve. My confidence grows with practice. Speaking out loud boosts my confidence. I celebrate every small step forward. I am proud of my improvement. Practice makes progress. Small daily improvements lead to big success. My pronunciation gets better every time I try. Speaking smoothly takes patience and effort. English helps me connect with people worldwide. I celebrate every step forward in my progress. Confidence makes speaking feel effortless. Daily speaking practice helps me sound natural. Mistakes guide me toward progress. English is becoming part of my everyday life. I appreciate my growth, no matter how small. My efforts today will make my English fluent tomorrow. I trust the process and enjoy my journey. Learning English is fun and exciting for me. I show up every day to improve my skills. I believe in myself and my progress. English opens new opportunities for me. Every word I speak helps me grow. I am excited for my English-speaking future. At the cafe, I order a latte with milk. I ask for a slice of cake. I sit near the window and watch people. I read a book while I drink. The cafe feels cozy and quiet. I enjoy the smell of fresh coffee. At the park, I walk slowly and enjoy the trees. I listen to the birds singing. Children are playing happily. I sit on a bench and relax. The air feels fresh and clean. I take a deep breath and smile. At home, I clean the kitchen carefully. I wash the dishes after dinner. I make a to-do list for tomorrow. I read a short article before bed. I listen to music and relax. I prepare my clothes for the next day. Online meetings. Can you hear me clearly? Please turn on your microphone. Let's share the screen. I will send the file after the meeting. Thank you for your time today. Let's meet again next week.
You did amazing work today. You practiced hundreds of sentences across daily life, emotions, and motivation. Remember, fluency doesn't come in one day. It grows slowly, sentence by sentence, habit by habit. Keep shadowing, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a confident speaker. I'll see you in the next session.